Greetings Panther, how are you guys? Today again I'm back with 30 rand. I bought the van voucher for 30 rand for myself. So I'm going to play also again. I'm going to play this game Siren Spell. It's episode 2. So let's see. We're gonna start by buying the few bonus as we did before. Let's see where it's going to lead us. Nothing is happening, guys. Today, let's see if we can grab something. Today seems like it's that day. I don't know, but let's hope to grab something. Let's hope we can grab something nice. Okay, this might really help in order for us to get something. It's big win for 18 rand. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna end with profit in this bonus buy. Okay, it seems like we want 21 rand. We didn't end with profit, but we still have 26. So I'm gonna buy again because of I didn't get a profit. But if it was a profit buy, I was not going to buy again. I was going to spin. So because it's not a profit buy, let's assume this one is going to be better. So let's check if we can make a profit on this one. All right, we didn't end with profit. With the second one, it was a central bonus buy. So we have 2 bonus buy in row without making any profit. So let's see what will happen with this. Oh, look at those fishes. If they were not blocking us there, we were going to have something better. Okay guys, we tried by all means, but we couldn't make it today. So this is episode 2. We didn't make it, so we'll make it next time. So I will let you know guys when I'm winning. I'm gonna be changing games, so later on today we are going to play a different game. So I hope you enjoyed this one today. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day and Black Friday.